Da, 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 da. You say Dad's baby? You love Daddy? Daddy loves you. Hey, Daddy's boy. Hi, Ralphie. Hi. Is that cookie good? Huh? That cookie good? Where's Ralphie's little boy? Up there? There he is. That's Ralphie when he was a baby. 8 months old. Now, this is Ralphie when he's older.
Chef Boyardee is making our pork chops for dinner tonight. Smell the aroma. It's almost like being there.
It's almost like being here. You are here.
Look at those babies. Yum. There he is, big smile from the chef. Chef Boyardee, there he is.
Chef Boyardee. You made a mistake. Chef Boyardee.
And then we have the garden that Chef Boyardee planted today. Tomato plants, cucumbers.
Don't forget the date.
Eggplants. Yes, this is June 13th. A lovely Tuesday. There's our little boy. Close up of Ralphie. He's precious. Little focus. Hi, Ralphie. Yeah, hi. Playing in his turtle. Yeah. Getting more sand in your hair? Slime board and swing. Then we have his pool. Our new picnic table. Really set. Now if we had a bunch of people here, we'd have a party.